strategy for the foreseeable future, ideally over the next several months, to achieve our founding 500 goal is really three-part, with a fourth part once we've kind of made progress on the top three. And it's pretty simple. It's personal outreach. We want to help bring in and refer people that we know. So if you're a member and you know someone and you've worked with them in the past and you trust them and you think, wow, they're really a strong creative business professional, or they're really a strong, technology leader, and I'd love to have them part of Creator Base, not just so that they could, connect with each other and learn by doing and create big C impact and grow where needed, but they may even just be someone that could just be a speaker, right? And we come up with a speaking campaign, a speaking program that benefits them, and we benefit as well. And maybe they're not like, an ongoing, day-to-day member. But the point is, we know people that would benefit from the creator base that is becoming what it is and will be. And so I just ask that you look across your network. Who do you know that you'd want to refer? And we'll be providing soon our ambassador program, whereby will make it super easy for you to push a couple of buttons and send a note or copy a link and share it to people. And as soon as they're referred and they mention that, they're referred by you, well, they get immediately approved, unless there's something completely off. But I can't imagine, because you being here have already been kind of verified. You're trusted. We know that you're smart and capable. So we want to bring more people like you into the community. Here's something that I'm going to be very sensitive about, because I would never want the reputation of creator base being, and I'll just use this loosely, an ambulance chaser type of marketer. But I have been laid off in my 30 something years or 40 years of career, right? So I know it's not easy. And if people are being laid off now, which they are in the thousands, yes, there's a lot of pain out there. And we'll have offerings through both our paid and our free plans to help people that either are laid off, that have been laid off, and minimum may need a community to tap into, or they feel they're at risk.